going to do some practice strokes today. What I want to share with you is how to do layering of colors from light to dark and an easy way to do that. So I have floating medium out here. I have neon purple, dioxazine purple, violet pansy, wicker white. I'm using all multi-surface paints and floating medium. And see the neons come like this. Also multi-surface. Multi-surface has a sealer in it, so it just jumps right over to any like glass, metal, ceramic, paper, canvas, anything you want. So let me show you what happens here. First of all, I like to come in here with a 12 flat, and I like to put a few little trailing vines, okay? We're gonna do like a wisteria kind of plant, and we can do just with floating medium. You can use this brush and let it be real faint. Okay. And we're just going for the illusion. I'm going to come back and do some more greenery. But right now, I'm just up on the chisel of the brush and I'm getting some background looks. Okay. So that when we put some flowers on top of it, and you will see a different look. Right. That was with the 12. All right. So when you're doing some wisteria come in here, the first thing I can do is just do neon. And so when I'm doing the neon, I'm just touching base and I'm going to make these blossoms flat. This is a 6 flat. All right. A 2 is a little small. All right. So look, I can come in here with floating medium and make it thinner. See, thin, 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 thin. All right, now it goes little, really light, little, and then fuller. Okay, but see how that's getting real transparent? Is because the more floating medium I put, the lighter it gets. And so you want an illusion that that's way in the back. So see, I'm going right here in the neon. And so I have all kinds of neons. So I tell people when you're ordering some, get about 4 of the colors. Get blue, pink, purple. There's orange during the holiday seasons of fall and all. You like that. All right. So look. So this is dark. This got lighter. And see, you're just going for an illusion. So it doesn't matter if the stroke's perfect, right? Now let's go to one more color, a little bit more intense. All right, so I'm going to take white with violet pansy. Okay, same brush. I didn't clean it. All right, so what you're going to see now is you're going to see little strokes, and you want space in between it. All right, so turn it around so it's comfortable. All right. And that is that's mixed color to get this color. All right. But it's thicker paint. It's not like that gel that we were on. Okay. So I can grab white and do purple and white at the same time. You see that? Add a little bit of white. So when you have 2 colors, you get more of a pretty variety. Like, see, I can put one these that are kind of blah. I can put some neon in there with it. Some neon in here. So that just makes it pop a little bit better. So it's not flat looking. All right. And so to get some deep, I'm going to come right over here. I didn't clean my brush. I'm going to get some dioxazine purple. I am going to clean that brush because I want it to be a prettier color. There we go. I don't want it dull, so little bigger. Okay, we can come in a little bit darker. See how that gets darker as we go. All right. I'm going to come right in here. A little bit over here. Now, do you see multiple colors? You want to see layering. So usually probably the darker one would layer underneath, but we could put some greenery over that. All right, so we need a triangle. I don't have a triangle, I have a row. So let's come here, 1, 2, 3. All right, so see how that breaks it up a little bit? And then 1, 2, 3 over here would be a triangle. All right, that's not looking, see that? Looks like a blob. But you can come in here with some white. And break it up a little bit. All right, see all the different colors? Okay, and like I said, we can come in with darker neon. When you see the light pale neon? This is neon purple. And a project like that look really good on glass too, just to let you know. Okay, so now I'm going to come in here with just thicket. I cleaned the brush out. And what you're going to see here is you're going to see that it's like, looks like bamboo a little bit. All right. So it's a little Asian looking, like Oriental. So it's making an umbrella, a color. Okay. So that I was flat with this stroke and I'm chiseling with this stroke. Okay. So up and over. Chisel, chisel, chisel. All right, so we're going to come over here. All right, see how this will come right in here? See how pretty that's starting to look? Okay. All right, this is all thicket. Okay, so now I'm going to wipe that off and I'm just going to pick up citrus. So we're going to put some citrus. Let's do citrus with white and it'll be brighter. Okay. You see that? Now, so you can kind of quit there, but what I want you to see is that all the different colors of purple. It's simple, easy strokes. It's not really fancy, anything hard to do. We can also come in here with some brown and green and make branch, like a branch that holds that vine. Okay, I just took coffee latte and my thicket. This is with a 1 script liner. And I kind of see the branch that we're putting in here. Okay, and that kind of fun. And it's easy to do, so I want you to try it. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and check out our One Stroke Advantage where you can learn how to paint beautiful things, learn a new technique, become one of my teachers. Come join us, okay? We'll see you next time. This is Practice Strokes.